Payroll might not be the most glamorous topic, but it is a large part of your business if you have employees. If you don't have any employees yet, understanding how to add payroll to your business will be extremely important. When you have employees, you need to create a process of paying your employees, ensuring that they receive their money on time, and that you, as the employer, follow through with and fulfill all of your obligations. In today's podcast episode, I walk you through some of the most important aspects of processing payroll for your business. You need to understand these topics, whether you're going to process your own payroll or if you're going to outsource your payroll and hire someone to do your payroll for you. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. There's a lot to know about payroll, but once you have a general understanding, it is pretty simple to understand. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created two options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. Understanding payroll doesn't have to be complicated, but I do want you to realize that payroll is totally different from other aspects of the bookkeeping that you do for your business. When you add an employee to your business and start paying them, you need to have a good understanding of how payroll works within your business. Knowing the responsibilities that payroll brings to your business is an essential part of being a business owner, because no matter how you have your payroll processed, you, as the business owner, are ultimately responsible for your payroll obligations. Let's begin with what you need to do when you're ready to hire your first employee. You need to make sure that you have your federal and state ID numbers set up, and you'll need to get the proper information from your employee. You'll have your employee fill out a W-4 form and an I-9 form to get this relevant information and ensure that they're eligible to work for you. These forms will dictate how much you should be withholding for payroll taxes as well. You may have other state and local requirements that need to be met, so make sure that you check with your state for any additional requirements. Make sure that you're up to date on any minimum wage and overtime regulations by checking into the Fair Labor Standards Act and setting up your rate of pay for your employees, as well as any benefits that you might be offering to them. Before you start paying your employees, you need to set up a pay schedule. Will you be paying your employees on a weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly basis? Once you have this established, you'll follow this schedule so that your employees are paid on a timely basis. You'll start by calculating your employees' gross payroll. This is done by taking the number of hours that they've worked and multiplying these hours by their hourly rate. When you calculate your employees' net pay, you'll start with their gross pay, and then you'll take into consideration any federal, state, and local payroll taxes that need to be deducted. You'll also deduct Social Security and Medicare taxes. These Social Security and Medicare taxes will be paid by both your employee and you as the employer. If you have any additional deductions, you'll take these into consideration as well when calculating your employee's net pay. Now that you've deducted your payroll taxes from your employee's paycheck, you'll need to make sure that you're remitting these taxes on time. Payroll taxes are what most business owners struggle with. Any payroll taxes that you withhold from your employees will need to be paid to the appropriate agency and will need to be paid on time to eliminate any penalties. There are specific due dates that you need to follow when you're paying your payroll taxes, and they're based on the total payroll taxes that you need to pay. Not only will you remit the payroll taxes that are withheld from your employees' paychecks, but you'll also need to remit your employer's portion of the Social Security and Medicare taxes as well. Both the employer's taxes and the employee's taxes will need to be paid according to your payroll tax deposit schedule. You as a business owner will have your employer's portion of the Social Security and Medicare payroll taxes that are accumulated with each payroll you process. Additional employer taxes also include federal and state unemployment taxes as well. These taxes are collected to fund unemployment insurance and are based on your employee's gross payroll. These additional employer payroll taxes are generally due at the end of each quarter and may have reporting requirements depending on your state. At the end of each quarter, you'll be required to file the necessary quarterly reports needed for your business. The Federal 941 form reconciles the amount of Social Security and Medicare and other taxes paid with the total tax due. You'll more than likely need to file a similar report with your state for any state and/or local income taxes withheld as well. These reports will let you know if you under or overpaid any of your payroll taxes. At the end of each year, you are required to file an annual federal 940 report, which reconciles your federal unemployment tax paid with the total tax that's due. You'll likely have a state report that will reconcile your yearly state and local income taxes. You'll also need to issue a W-2 for each employee, which will show how much you paid your employee, as well as how much was withheld from their paychecks for taxes and any other deductions. These W-2 forms will be sent to the Social Security Administration, your state, and your employees. All of your payroll reporting is done on a calendar year basis, and everything is reset at the beginning of the next year. Adding payroll to your business is a big responsibility, and you want to make sure that you're doing it right. If you're thinking that you need additional help with your payroll processing, make sure that you get the help that you need. Most business owners do not process payroll entirely on their own. They utilize a payroll solution to help keep them in compliance, ensure that their payroll is calculated correctly, and that their employees and taxes are paid on time. Another benefit of using a payroll solution is offering direct deposit to your employees. Most employees utilize this option, and some may even ask for you to provide it to them as an additional benefit. If you're considering outsourcing payroll to a professional who specializes in it, you could save yourself time and money in the long run. But if you're looking for a payroll processing solution for your business, where you process the payroll yourself, I recommend you look into ADP's solutions. ADP has been one of the leading payroll processing solutions for years. Some of the main reasons that I feel ADP works for so many small businesses are the simplified setup, ease of use, integration with your existing bookkeeping system, automatic payroll tax payments and compliance, security, and the ability to grow with your business. If you're interested in learning more about ADP, you can go to financialadventure.com/ADP for more information. Understanding how payroll works in your business isn't just about meeting legal requirements. It's also about taking care of your employees. If you're unable to do this, you'll find that your employee morale may plummet, and they may leave you for a more reliable employer. When you understand how your payroll works, as well as the liabilities that it creates in your business, you won't find yourself struggling with cash flow issues. By having a consistent payroll schedule and knowing when and how much you need to pay for your payroll liabilities, you'll be able to forecast your expenses and improve your financial stability. Payroll can be stressful for business owners, but it's my goal to help you eliminate stress whenever possible so that you can continue to enjoy doing what you love most in your business. If you need help with getting a better understanding of how payroll is impacting your business, or if you're unsure of what you need to do next in your business regarding payroll or other areas that are causing you stress and overwhelm, I'm here to help. My clients are able to reduce their stress and overwhelm, understand how to master their small business finances, and develop solutions to grow their bottom line. I encourage you to take the next step by signing up for a free consultation where I'm going to teach you the first step in my process so that you can eliminate stress, overwhelm, or overworking in your business while you continue to get done what matters in your business or career so that you can live your life with joy, purpose, and a more fulfilled life. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions that you have. I'd love to help you on this journey. You can schedule your free consultation or sign up for a coaching session today. As a certified public accountant and certified life coach, I can help you set goals and develop a plan that will allow you to lead a happier and more sustainable life in your business, your career, or your personal life. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business and help you focus on the strategies that you need to follow to reach the success that you want to achieve in your business, and stay committed so that you can continue to keep pushing forward. I'm here to help you with both your business and your personal life so that you can relieve the stress, anxiety, or overwhelm that you're currently feeling. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your business, which enables you to go back to enjoying your business like you thought you would when you very first started it. I work with business owners, accountants, and other financial professionals to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals, while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workloads they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week we meet privately one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. It could be your highest priority that you want to work on, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, and we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every call, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the week to come, and relief knowing that we'll meet again the next week to go over anything that comes up after the call. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. The investment in this program is an easy yes for you. I've set this program up in the most supportive way. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the program. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for this program due to the one-on-one aspect, and it does sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the program when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. I know there's something you want in your life, and I can help you get it. I know this is something that you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create this exact program. The faster you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities that are available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself why you need this program in your life right now. Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career, and to start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big,
Follow your heart and love what you do.